Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
GST ऑफिसातले सगळे ऑफिसर्स henceforth for not only for the tax collections जाल्यार बाकीच्या सगळ्या लोकां खातीर तेंचे टॅक्स कलेक्शनाच्या बरोबर बाकीचे सगळे ईज ऑफ डुईंग द बिझनेसात सातत्यात मदत करतले आणि ताकाच लागून ही 2 दिसाची ट्रेनिंग तांकां खूब बरी आनी फुडें मदत जातली फॉर द टॅक्स कलेक्शन ऑल्सो आणि रिजॉल्विंग द डिफरंट इश्यूज ऑफ द डिफरंट टॅक्स पेयर्स.
त्यांच्याकडे MoU साइन करो
आम्ही त्याच्याकडे MoU साइन करतले एवरी 6 months जी अपस्किल ट्रेनिंग जी आसा पळय न्ही ही ICAI आमच्या GST ऑफिसर्सांक ही MoU साइन करून दितले.
We would like to enter into a memorandum of understanding with the Commissioner of the Commercial Taxes Department of the state of Goa so that we can regularly interact. We can be of help to the state of Goa in ensuring that this at least a training part we take care. We would also be happy if we can do research activities. We can also ensure that we pass on the intellectual acumen which our chartered accountants have for the purpose of the benefit of all the state government employees of the tax department.